Hello, and welcome to 12-Minute Meditation, a weekly podcast from mindful.org that offers mindfulness meditations backed by neuroscience. If you've been practicing, you know that 12 minutes of meditation a day can yield benefits like increased attention, focus, creativity, calm, resilience, and compassion. The latest scientific research supports this knowledge. So, on this podcast, we invite you to do your 12-minute practice with guided meditations from today's leading mindfulness experts. We share new practice each week, providing you with new ways to experience some of those benefits day to day. Before we dive in, we have some wonderful news to share. Thanks to your unwavering support, we're relaunching Mindful Magazine. The next issue will be the 2025 annual edition, on sale in December, filled with inspiring stories, thought-provoking articles, and practical tips to enrich your mindfulness journey. We've also expanded our range of digital and print subscription options to be more flexible and better serve the support and inspiration you need for your well-being journey. This revival is all about you, our vibrant community, and we're excited to once again bring you a magazine that reflects and celebrates our shared values and interests. You can pre-order the magazine or subscribe at shop.mindful.org. I'm Chelsea Arsenal, host of 12-Minute Meditation at Mindful and mindful.org. And this week, we're bringing back a past episode from Dr. Mark Bertin, and it couldn't come at a better time. As the holiday season ramps up, whether it's preparing for celebrations ahead or simply managing the hustle and bustle, it's easy to feel caught up in the stress of planning, perfection, and endless to-do lists. This meditation is a chance to pause, take a breath, and let go of any unrealistic expectations we may be carrying. Mark's practice gently guides us to diffuse holiday stress by focusing on the present, reconnecting with gratitude, and finding ease in the midst of it all. Let's take this moment together to reset and ground ourselves for the season. Dr. Mark Bertin is a pediatrician, author, professor, and mindfulness teacher specializing in neurodevelopmental behavioral pediatrics. He's a regular contributor to mindful.org and Psychology Today. You can subscribe to 12-Minute Meditation while you're on mindful.org or wherever you find your favorite podcast. And if you're moved to leave us a review, we'd be grateful. And so will other listeners. See, your review helps them to decide whether 12-Minute Meditation is for them. But for now, for you, here's Mark Bertin.
Mindfulness practice is an opportunity to build an ability to observe without our normal reactive spirals. For a few moments, we take a break from escalating our holiday stress. Notice whatever is going on for you right now. And then come back to the breath. Whether you feel stressed, relaxed, or anything else, for a moment, let it all be. Without judgment or expectation, just notice it all and come back to the next breath. Now take a moment to notice what comes to mind when you picture the holiday season. How does your body feel? Is it tight or restless, or even nauseated or exhausted? Notice that, and then come back again to your next breath. What emotions arise? Maybe some mix of excitement and joy, and dread and tiredness. Where do your thoughts go? Perhaps there's a conflicting swirl of pictures of what might be. Stress over what seems possible, or ruminative planning over parties and presents and travel. Right now, there's nothing to do, no one to be, nowhere to go. In this moment, sitting, this is all there is. Some other time might be for acting or thinking. Right now, take care of anything emergent, but otherwise let go of fixing and moving, and focus on the next breath again. Now, take a few moments to focus on your friends and family. Picture them and wish them well wherever they are. Peace or health or safe travels. Now focus on yourself. This is a time of stress, perhaps. Wish yourself whatever you did for your family. Ease or peace. Or happiness. Take a moment, perhaps, to be grateful for whatever comes to mind. practice as best as you're able letting go. That picture of the meal, or that snub, or a storm derailing your plan, they're all just thoughts. Notice craving and the hungry ghost who always wants more. Label it all, if you like, thought. Don't wrestle with it, and don't engage with it quite as much. Note thought, and then come back to breathing in and breathing out. Allow the holidays to happen. Take care to do whatever keeps you grounded, like sleep and exercise. Enjoy it. Plan what needs planning, and let go of the rest. Focus yourself instead on whatever you most value and find most sustaining this time of year.
Thank you for joining us for this episode of 12-Minute Meditation from Mindful and Mindful.org. I hope you enjoyed practicing with us today. We'll be back in 7 days with another meditation practice to enrich your journey. But in the meantime, stay connected by signing up for our free newsletter at mindful.org/sign-up for compelling insights and actionable ideas to enrich your everyday life. That's mindful.org/signup.